You got one, yep.
What?
Didn't kill him. I don't know how that didn't kill him.
I'm coming.
He's
I'm
ran
coming.
by now. It was a Nitro from fucking 10 feet away. I don't know.
Through metal, though. Okay, no, that's his gun.
That's mine.
They're right above. They're straight above me. Be gone. Killed another.
Yeah, I got one over here.
Can you get up there to get me or no? Oh.
Got him.
Nice. Get me. He's got the.
I want to get closer.
Jesus, fuck.
I want to get closer to this. Oh, see you later. Okay, this man knows. Yeah, I think he's inside.
There's one to your right as well.
Be gone.
Oh,
Here I come.
One of them has a Centennial fucking somewhere.
They're fighting a team out in the woods. It sounds
Found
like.
one. Right there.
Ooh.
Got one here on top of me killed. Why the fuck do those bees
Got
come
one.
all the way back at me?
Might be barrel bees. Yep, just saw one. Ping me again, motherfucker.
Okay.
Yikes.
So glad that you cannot be seen in that building.
Shush. There's one behind. Got him.
Doing other stuff. Brain is not working. Dude, I can't get the first thing to work, like at all. I don't necessarily know. Probably around 11 again. I'm gonna kill my screen, so I guess closer to midnight. Good lord, child! Are you elbow dropping your fucking keyboard, Randy Savage?
Apparently.
Is your fucking keyboard made out of chiclets?
Apparently he's not paying attention, Andrew.
Apparently.
He's got Necro or Sight. Oh, he's fighting them off. He's fighting them off.
It vanished right here. Careful, they open this.
Getting fucking.
Ow! My balls. Ow, super fuck my balls.
How the fuck?
Shot was way the fuck up there. What the hell?
No, we have somebody like right there. Right there, I heard him walk.
Yeah, Steve, you're gonna...
Got him.
Nice.
Careful,
Yeah,
window
I
of
just
our
don't really
side.
have.
Yeah. Yeah, they're on my body right now.
Might need your help soon.
Yeah, Steve, they're on him.
Oh, I'm glad they could see through the fucking cornfield.
Yeah.
43 meters away? That was a fucking head tap, too.
Pardon?
Yeah, and the sad part is you took out the one that can. I call fucking bullshit, bro. I'm reporting the fuck out of that team. There's no way.
I mean, there's still like... Shit, one's like really here.
Bro, they're both really here. Oh, careful of that though, because they're probably gonna be aiming through it.
I'd like to see them try.
Who can penetrate the door better?
Who can penetrate me better?
Oh, hold up.
It is I.
Alright, I am the type of
Oh shit,
people...
they're fucking close.
I can hear them. I'm the type of people who...
Dude. Dude, we had 3 different kinds of traps in there.
Oh, that was a zombie.
Let's go to Winfield Sentinel.
Centennial. And a
Sentinel.
shotgun, so...
Dude, he ducks.
They're in front of the door here.
Okay, let me. I've got a dynamite. Hold on. I'm throwing one outside. Shit. Okay, there's throwing.
Triggered crap. He's back up. He's gonna get back up on the roof right now. Hit. Oh, I might be dead.
Got one.
God damn.
Are they at this window?
Yeah, they
that
will.
top window right there, and the other one is.
Got one.
Thank you. Oh.
I got 9 of them.
What? I got 15, loser.
Oh my god. Alright, I will proceed to murder you.
I got a shotgun, I might murder you. You got a nitro. Did you hear that? There's people here.
Northeast?
Like, why do I even play this game? Hit fire head. What? I'm actually gonna cry. Nice. Nice.
Absolutely fucking gone.